In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two eBay gift cards together. This simple process will help you get the most out of your gift cards by applying both to a single purchase, maximizing the value. If you've got two gift cards, you're in the right place, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can enjoy those extra savings in no time. First, you'll want to open up your eBay app or website and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're logged in, as this allows the system to save and apply your changes correctly. Once you're logged in, it's time to shop. Browse for the items you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. This step is as straightforward as clicking the Add to Cart button on each item's page. Double check that all your desired items are in the cart and that there are no surprises at checkout. Next, proceed to the checkout by clicking the Go to Checkout button. This will direct you to a summary page with all your selected items, each neatly listed along with their prices. On this page, you should see an option titled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is where the magic happens. Now take your first gift card and carefully enter the code into the prompted field. The code is usually on the back of the card and is a combination of numbers and letters. Once you've entered the first code, click the Apply button. You should see the balance from the first gift card deducted from your total. After applying the first card, it's time to enter your second gift card code. In the same field, enter the code for your second gift card. It's crucial to enter these codes accurately to avoid any errors or recalculations. Once you've entered the second code, just click Apply again, and there you have it. Both gift card balances will now be combined and applied to your total. You should now see that both balances have been successfully deducted from your purchase total. This means you can enjoy the full benefit of both gift cards without any hassle. By following these steps, you can ensure that both cards are utilized in one seamless transaction, saving you money and making your shopping experience more enjoyable. Hopefully this guide has made the process of combining your eBay gift card balances clearer and easier to understand. With only a few steps, you can make the most out of your eBay shopping. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.